Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 24-hour time. 24-hour time is another way of expressing the time of day without using AM or PM. In order to show the time using this method, we need 4 digits. The first 2 digits tell us how many hours past midnight, with the second 2 digits giving the minutes. This method of expressing the time can be written in 3 different ways. Assume we want to express 2:35 p.m. using 24-hour time. So let's look at how we do that. 2 p.m. represents 14 hours past midnight, because 2 p.m. is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's 14 hours past midnight. So we have to remember the number 14. The 35 represents 35 minutes after the hour, that is, after 2 p.m. So there's the 35. So we have 2:35 p.m. is 14:35, so you just put the 4 digits next to each other, or they can be separated like that, or they can also be separated with a space, with nothing in between. So we have 3 different ways of expressing 2:35 p.m. Any one of those ways can be used. So any of the above 3 ways are acceptable. Let's look at some more examples. Change each of the following times to 24-hour time. So 7:45 p.m. Firstly, how many hours after midnight is 7 p.m.? Well, 7 p.m. is early in the evening. So it must be 19 hours after midnight. And then the 45 represents 45 minutes after 7 p.m. So there is your 45. And they are the other 2 ways of expressing it as we saw up here. The next one, 9:17 a.m. Now 9 a.m. is 9 hours after midnight, so that's 09. Remember we said there are 4 digits, that's why we write 09. And there's the 17 there. So they are the 3 different ways of expressing the time of 9:17 a.m. Change each of the following 24-hour times to AM or PM. So 03:45. Okay, so this one here, the 0 and the 3 tell us that the time is 3 hours after midnight. So we know it's AM, so it's definitely 3 AM, and the 45 goes there. So it's 3:45 AM. 11:56. Remember, that's another way of expressing it. So that's 11 hours after midnight. Okay, so it must be still in the morning, and that's the 56 minutes after. In other words, we have 11:56 a.m. 15:49 is 15 hours after midnight, so that must be 3 p.m. and there are the minutes, so it's 3:49 p.m. And 2013, we have 20 hours after midnight, so that has to be 8 p.m. and there are the minutes, so it's 8:13 p.m. Change each of the following 24-hour digital times to AM or PM. Okay, so this is 24-hour time, of course, and these are digital clocks. So 16:30, so that's 16 hours after midnight, so it must be 4:30 p.m. 23:54 is 23 hours after midnight, so 11:54 p.m. This must be 1 hour after midnight, so it's 1:15 a.m. And here we have 2 hours after midnight, so it's 2:45 a.m. So this video has introduced us to the idea of 24-hour time, and we've seen how we can change the time from 24-hour time to AM or PM and vice versa. We've also seen with 24-hour time how you must have 4 digits to express that time, and there are 4 acceptable ways. 3 different ways of doing it. So we can do it that way, or that way, or that way.